Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Kicking off with football, the finalists for the December 8th final of the Manning Cup will be known today following the two semi-finals at Sabina Park. 22-time winners St. George's College oppose Mona High, who are hunting a historic first-time appearance in the final. Mona were also in the semi-finals last season and along with St. George's College are the only unbeaten teams remaining in the competition. However, both teams were beaten in the Champions Cup on Tuesday. That match kicks off at 3 p.m. The second encounter between another many-time champion in Kingston College and Hydel kicks off at 5:15. This will be the third meeting between the teams after they blacked the Purples 4-0 in the opening day. Hydel, they lost 3 points due to breaching eligibility rules. The second clash finished 1-0 in favour of KC, who along with Hydel are into the semis of the Champions Cup. The Purples faltered at this stage last season, while Hydel are aiming for their first final spot since 2012. Jamaica Cricket Association President Wilfred Billy Heaven has indicated that he'll be vying for a fifth term in the position when the next elections are staged in the first quarter of 2024. Heaven took office in 2013 and has fended off challenges from former player Mark Nita and Fritz Harris in the past. And he says he has made a U-turn on his plans after initially declaring in 2022 that he would not seek re-election.
We had COVID and it truncated the term or the terms in office, so to speak, at the end of the day. We set out to achieve certain things for the JCA over a period of time. And we are nearing that point where we will realize all our plans, we implement all our plans, and we expect to see the intended result.
Now, a marvellous unbeaten 80 from Guyanese Kevin Sinclair guided the West Indies A to a one-wicket win over South Africa A to take a 1-0 lead in their three-match series on day 4 of the opening unofficial test in Benoni. Sinclair, batting at number 8, rescued the West Indians from a dire situation at 119 for 7 to victory at 224 for 9. The right-hander hit 8 fours and 3 sixes and featured in a 53-run 10th wicket partnership with Jair McAllister, who made 7. Jamaican Kirk McKenzie made 36 and opener Tejnarain Chandapol 35 in a 66-run second wicket stand. The visitors had resumed the day on 8 without loss. Mihali Mpwanga took 3 for 25. The second match of the series starts on Tuesday in East London. And former Paralympic champion Oscar Pistorius is to be freed from jail on parole nearly 11 years after murdering his girlfriend Reva Steenkamp. He shot Steenkamp multiple times through a bathroom door on Valentine's Day in 2013, later claiming he mistook her for a burglar. Pistorius, who is now 37, was sentenced by a South African court in 2016 to serve 13 years in prison. The parole board has set his release for January 5, 2024. Pistorius will then have to attend therapy sessions, according to the Steenkamp family's spokesman. He will also be monitored by the authorities until his sentence ends, the Department of Correctional Services said on Friday. So that's your midday sports report. Kerry?
Thank you so much, Jordan. And that's your midday news. I'm Kerry Ann Simpson. Join us again for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.